New information tonight about what led to a Tucson man allegedly shooting and killing a U.S. deputy marshal here in Tucson. We now know the suspect was on Tucson Police Department's radar since last year. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Pat Paris.
And I'm Whitney Clark, filling in for Valerie Cavazos. Tonight, court documents reveal more about what happened the night U.S. Deputy Marshal Chase White was killed.
The suspect has an extensive history with the Tucson Police Department.
26-year-old Ryan Schlesinger allegedly shot and killed U.S. Marshal Chase White. The initial criminal complaint reveals Schlesinger had video surveillance outside his home. While the video is not public, the court documents paint a picture of what happened Thursday night. Agents attempted to force entry into the home to serve a felony arrest warrant, and that's when Schlesinger began shooting at agents. Around 6:23 that night, Schlesinger came outside wearing body armor and a ballistic helmet. That's when Tucson police took him into custody. The complaint also talks about times in the past where Schlesinger encountered the Tucson police officer he's accused of stalking. On July 8th last year, officers went to Schlesinger's home to serve a Title 36 emergency petition. That means officers were trying to arrest him per a judge's ruling and put him into a mental health treatment for at least 72 hours involuntarily. While they were there, he made threats to kill the officer and reached for a loaded gun. After that, his gun was put into evidence along with a high-capacity magazine loaded with special ammo. The complaint says Schlesinger began to email TPD demanding them to give his gun back. His emails had various threatening statements, and the complaint says Schlesinger would show up at TPD to try to make a citizen's arrest on a responding officer. The document says Schlesinger also showed up at the front door of the officer's parents' home and made a report that TPD officers kidnapped, assaulted, conspired, and unlawfully imprisoned him in the Crisis Response Center. Court records show on November 11th this year, he filed an online complaint against that officer saying they were on his list of people to make a citizen's arrest.
There would be a public viewing for U.S. Deputy Marshal Chase White on Thursday from 4 to 8. That's at the Adair Funeral Home, and on Friday, a celebration of life at the TCC.